Texas custody lawyers.
A child custody lawyer can help you with child custody cases and a wide array of custody issues. These cases can be emotionally difficult as parents fight over precious time with their children and the right to be a part of their lives. Adding to that difficulty is the often confusing and complicated laws around child custody cases. That is especially true when the custody case is part of a divorce. Whether you seek custody of a child or want to defend your own relationship with your children, it is vital that you consult with an experienced child custody lawyer in Texas. Child custody cases are more than just fighting over who gets primary custody in a divorce or a child support case between two unmarried parents.
Custody can become a legal issue due to divorce, unmarried parents defining custody and child support, paternity suit, terminating a parent's rights, adoptions, modifying an existing custody order, grandparent and other family members fighting for custody, CPS removal of a child from your home. Child custody cases can quickly become complicated cases because there is no easy rule applied to custody decisions under the Texas Family Code. Texas courts must decide custody cases based upon the best interests of the child. That standard can lead to varying results due to the facts in a particular case, the positions of the parties involved, the opinions of experts in the case and the opinion of your judge. An experienced family law attorney can help navigate this maze and build a case to advocate for you and your children. What is child custody under the Texas Family Code?
The term child custody has varying meanings for people. The Texas Family Code actually does not use this term.
What most people think of as child custody involves two issues: conservatorship, parenting time with the children. Often child custody attorneys and judges distinguish the parents as custodial parents and non-custodial parents in the outcome of a custody case. A custodial parent has the majority of time with the children and the right to designate their residence. A non-custodial parent has less time with the child. Conservatorship.
Conservatorship is a fancy word for the right to make decisions about a child's health and well-being.
This includes topics such as medical care, housing, education, and legal decisions.
It also includes the right to access information about the children, such as medical and school records. A court can divide conservatorship between the parents and other guardians in many ways. Sometimes the parties will share rights, such as mutual rights to access school records, but the court may award some rights exclusively to one parent, such as the right to designate where the child will live.
Under the Texas Family Code, the court can award one of two conservatorship arrangements: joint managing conservatorship, sole managing conservatorship.
The most common arrangement in Texas law for parents to divide conservatorship over children is through a joint managing conservatorship. Under a joint managing conservatorship, the two parents split managing rights over the children. Sometimes the child's best interests means one parent has no managing rights with the other having sole managing rights.
This relationship is known as sole managing conservatorship.
Rather than both acting as managing conservatorship, all of the rights and duties are in the hands of one parent. Parenting time, possession and visitation. Additionally, child custody cases deal with how time with the children is allocated between parents.
This includes actual possession as well as visitation or access.
People often use these terms without specific meaning. Typically, possession refers to a custodial parent's time with the child in which the child lives with that parent.
Visitation or access typically refers to the non-custodial parent's time with the child. All parents have a right to time with their children. That could be possession or visitation. Visitation may even be supervised.
A court may only completely exclude a parent from time with the child if the parent is a danger to the physical or emotional health of the child. Parenting time between the parents can be divided in a wide range of arrangements depending upon the circumstances of the family, best interests of the children, and what agreement the parents may make. Parents often disagree on the right custody arrangement because both want the maximum amount of time with their children. Every hour one parent gets is an hour the other parent has to give up. That can lead to an emotional conflict. Your child custody lawyer can help explain how the law applies to your situation and advocate for a custody arrangement that protects your relationship with your children.
Possession schedules for child custody in Texas.
Additionally, some non-custodial parents fight for a 50-50 custody schedule to avoid child support. Grandparent custody rights in Texas. Grandparents and other family members can have a tremendous impact on the well-being of a child. However, they generally do not have rights under the Texas Family Code to either conservatorship or visitation. How does a Texas court decide the child's best interests in a custody case? The child's desire to live with one parent instead of the other.
Although the Hawley factors provide judges a roadmap, each judge will balance these factors and facts differently.
Hiring a child custody lawyer in Texas. Additional child custody resources.